Some of the best ways to earn online money without investment. 1. Become an insurance post. One of the top ways to earn money online with zero investment, no time constraints, and working from home is to become a point of sales person. A POSP is an insurance agent who works with an insurance company to sell specific insurance products online. As a POSP agent, you will be able to help customers choose the right insurance policy for them as per their personal need. Are there any requirements? The only requirements to become an insurance agent are you must be over 18 years of age and should have completed class 10. Following this, all you have to do is complete the 15-hour compulsory training offered by the IDI to get a general life insurance license. How much can you earn? There is lots of scope in selling different types of policies, and your income would depend on the number of policies you sell. The more policies you sell, the faster you can earn a high income. Through freelancing, freelance work is one of the most popular ways to make money online, and you do not need any investment to start this work. All you need to do is identify a few key portals and register yourself as a freelancer. Then you need to market your skills to potential clients by sharing some sample work. Are there any requirements? If you're good at writing, programming, editing, designing, or a number of other skills, then you can make money online by becoming a freelancer. These days, many businesses are increasingly handing out smaller tasks to freelancers. How much can you earn? Based on the kind of work you offer, you can easily find high-paying gigs as a freelancer. Some of the top freelancing sites include that offer genuine work. 3. Selling homemade items. This is another way you can make easy money from home with no monetary investment. All you need are the raw materials for your products, like cooking ingredients or craft supplies. These include products like baked goods, healthy snacks, scented candles, wall hangings, table mats, and decor items. Are there any requirements? If you have skills in the fields of arts and crafts or cooking, it is quite simple to sell your homemade products online. How much can you earn? Depending on the products you sell, your marketing skills, and the selling partner site you opt for, you can even set your products at high prices. Once you know what you wish to make and sell, you just need to register yourself as a seller on sites like Etsy India, Amazon, Flipkart, Ajio. 4. Opt for data entry jobs. Data entry is another option for those who are looking for an online job without investment. If you are looking to work from home or a student looking for a part-time job with flexibility, this can be a good option. Are there any requirements? All you need for such jobs is a computer, knowledge of Excel and other Microsoft tools, an eye for accuracy, and being able to work under deadlines. How much can you earn? Data entry jobs are usually quick or easy, and you can earn 300 to 1,500 per hour. After registering at a trusted website, you can accept data entry jobs from various companies worldwide. Just be sure to check their legitimacy before transferring your account details. Then you will be sent an email or a link to the data source and be given instructions about what to do. Here are some trusted websites where you can look for data entry jobs: Freelancer, Guru, Dune Data Solutions, Axiom Data Entry Services, Data Plus. Apps and websites before they go live. Another simple way to make money online without any investment is by testing out apps and websites. Since companies and app developers don't want their users to get confused by their apps and sites, they hire users to do what is called beta testing. Essentially, they test out their sites or apps and report their user experience or identify any bugs and problems before they go live to the public. Are there any requirements? To do this, you don't need any special knowledge, so this is good for those looking to work from home. or for part-time work. How much can you earn? Depending on how long and how complex the beta testing process is and your experience with beta testing, you can earn around 1,000 to 3,000. Some sites that offer app and website testing jobs are